How do two strangers exchange money for real-world action without relying on a promise or a single photo? ProofPay is a verified action marketplace. It connects payment to an explainable package of evidence captured by the phone already in your pocket. ProofPay supports both sides of the market. In PayMe2, a performer offers an action and a price. In PayU2, a sponsor publishes a reward. Listings focus on lawful, low-risk tasks such as dog walking, errands, fitness, and local presence. Jordan offers a 25-minute dog walk for $25. Before anyone accepts, the listing defines its proof recipe: continuous GPS, motion, a minimum duration, an ending photo, and a 75% threshold. Both parties see these requirements. The success is defined before the work begins. A sponsor funds and accepts the task. ProofPay records the task in escrow state, then exposes a clear start verification action to the performer. The prototype implements this approval workflow. Production payment release is identified separately as a planned Stripe Connect integration. Starting the mobile session activates the clock and requested sensors. Background GPS records a route. Accelerometer, gyroscope, pedometer, and GPS-derived speeds are fused into compact motion summaries. The live screen reports steps, signal quality, and detected activity, while photos or videos can be captured in-app. Raw motion is reduced every 5 seconds, lowering bandwidth and storage while preserving the evidence need for verification. No single signal is treated as absolute truth. Duration, location, motion, GPS continuity, and media contribute independently. The engine then applies penalties for poor accuracy and possible jumps, missing requirements, or an improperly ended session. Because the score is explainable, both sides can see exactly why evidence passed or required review. Ending the session creates a detailed report. This seated 2-mile walk contains 42 minutes of evidence, 14 GPS points, 8 motion windows, and roughly 3,200 steps. Its score is 82%, with strong location quality and no fraud flags. Instead of forcing uncertainty into a binary decision, ProofPay leaves it pending for sponsor review. The sponsor can approve and release payment or open a dispute backed by the evidence timeline. Ratings, notification, moderation, and administrator review extend trust beyond sensor score. ProofPay spans web, mobile, API, and Postgres with GPT-5.6 and Codex accelerating the engineering. Get paid to act, get proof it happened.